So predictions are worthless, and here's why. Anyone can make an opinion or a judgment on what's going to happen in the future, right? We can all say, oh, this is going to happen or this is going to happen. And eventually one of us is going to be right. What you're going to start seeing a lot of, especially now, probably in the next coming months, you're going to hear people saying, oh, a crash is about to happen. Oh, this is about to happen. Rates are about to go up so high, and this is partly is true, but nobody knows the timing. So whenever you hear someone make a prediction, it's absolutely worthless. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. And your job as an investor, you really don't care. You need to take advantage of the situation that you're in. So an example of this, if rates are really sky high, well, your advantage is prices come down. And if prices are maybe super low and we can't obtain the right kind of financing, maybe we take advantage of owner financing. If the banks are giving us higher LTVs, we take advantage of that. So you really don't care too much about the predictions of good or bad or up and down. You just need to predict how your investment portfolio will be in the future. And that's the most important thing. So depending on what types of assets you've invested in. So if you've invested in, let's say, apartments. Well, there was a time when you could look at the purchase price of a listed apartment building and it would cash flow, right? That's not happening anymore. Very rarely. It is. It's coming back to reality because sellers believe one thing and buyers pay for it or whatever the sense is. Maybe that's not your asset class. Shift over to something else. Maybe you can have better luck with retail or medical office buildings or whatever case is. Don't just stop investing. That makes no sense at all. If you're not in a position to do anything, then don't do anything. Do some research, take your time, save some cash. Whatever you have to do, prepare yourself to the next level. But there's always an opportunity in somewhere, wherever you live, wherever you are. And even if you have to scale down to a 4-unit and get into a classified residential type investing, hey, whatever you can do to get yourself started is what you need. Don't focus too much on the predictions and what's happening. So the point of this video was to keep you focused and keep you in line, and just know there's always an opportunity. You just need to take advantage of which one's going to work for you. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.